Starbucks pumpkin cream cold brew is absolutely delicious, but it has 31 grams of sugar and you can't make it dairy free. So I made a healthy version that's low sugar, dairy free, and it's going to save us some money. So you add all the ingredients you see here into your blender until it's nice and frothy, or you can use one of those little mini frothers. Add ice to a cup, add your cold brew in there, and then top with the pumpkin cream cold foam. I mean, oh my gosh, so creamy and delicious. Then sprinkle on a little pumpkin pie spice. This is essential. And then give it a nice stir and enjoy. I'll post the macros down below. Let me know what you think.